we're going to be talking about what you need to know to be lean in your college years and how to transition from college into a career. How can we integrate lean with other subjects?
So the practice field is all around you, really. You start with the problem that you're trying to solve, and you want to work through the plan, do, check, act cycle. So let's say that you are in a course and you took a test and you were disappointed by the results. So you can disconnect yourself from those results by saying, it's the process that I use to prepare for that test. It's not me and my ability. So then you look at the test, you look at the questions that you missed, you say, how could I have known these answers? What should I have been studying to be able to answer these questions? And then you change how you run an experiment, you change how you are preparing for an exam, and then try it again at the next exam, and you'll do a little bit better, and you continue that cycle. And in that way, you can learn and grow using lean thinking. And the same applies to any work activities that you're doing as well. When it doesn't come out the way you wanted it to, just go through a plan, do, check, act cycle.
I love that, because sometimes for students, it's so discouraging and they're so down on themselves if they don't do well. Having actually a process, PDCA, to use to say, it's all right, it's the process, right? And I can improve a little bit over time. It really makes students feel so much better.
It does. Because it's not you, it's just that it's your approach, what process you used for studying. And a lot of times you have to, when you go from being in high school to college, you actually have to shift your approach. You have to, what worked for you before doesn't always work for you later. And using lean thinking can really help you make that shift smoothly.
I love it. It's about learning to learn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Learning how to learn. And isn't that what going to college is?
Yes, it is. If you can learn one thing in college, it's how to teach yourself, because that's what you're going to need for the whole rest of your life.